it's always about the hula, right? Because hula is so important in so many ways. It's one of the best ways to tell stories. What's interesting for me and how kapa actually relates to hula dancers, and it's the clothing that they would wear, and it's lovely to see it in motion when people are doing kapa inspired pa'u, kihei, all of the things that you would wear dancing hula or even chanting.
We're known for our traditional Hawaiian food, very traditional. So everything that we serve here, my sisters and I learned from my mom and dad, and we don't deviate from anything. So people that were customers of my mom and dad's back in the 50s, their children, grandchildren, and now great-grandchildren are coming, and it's nice to see and hear them say, wow, this is just like what my tutu brought home for us. Or they remember going shopping down at the farmer's market, fish market. So we're just trying to maintain that continuity of the Hawaiian culture, like hula.
I started doing the Prince lot when they're in Moanalua. My wife and I used to always do it as demonstrations, and she's a lauhala weaver. But what I'm doing is matching some shark's teeth with this blank leo mano iki. And now I'm matching up the niho for them to go home, finish it up, and lace on the niho. Fish hooks come in various shapes, various sizes, depending on the kind of fish you're gonna catch. Like everything, not only fish hooks or weapons, everything is based on function. So a hula implement, all based on what function it plays. This one would be a very large hook called a kiholo. And the kiholo is designed to catch shark. And if you notice, it is not smooth like this one, evenly cut. And that's because it's a branch. So you bend the branch back while it's young and flexible and tie it and leave it for a year, maybe sometimes 3 years, until it grows into that form that you need so that you have the grains all going in one direction. Otherwise, if you just cut it out of a piece of wood, it'll have a breaking point with the grain. Now the grain is all making it stronger. Kiholo.